Hello, you are watching my YouTube channel CoyTV. So today is I am going to have a video tutorial about how to download vidIQ. So in a very simple way or very simple step. And also for the information of everyone, vidIQ is very important for those people or for those YouTuber that is starting with their YouTube career, because it is very important tool to have in growing your channel, doing stuff, and anything that you can do about analytics, about tags, and that is very important for us, also for me. And I am going to share information and to have us a very good tool to use in our YouTube journey. So for not further ado, let's roll the intro. Today, I will do a video tutorial in how to download vidIQ to help you in your YouTube journey and do better. So the first step you will do is go to your browser and then type in Google extension. So as you can see, Chrome Web Store extension Google Chrome. So just click this one and waiting. Then as you can see, a search bar in the top left corner, this one. Just type vidIQ, then press enter. As you can see, vidIQ Vision for YouTube. Just click add to Chrome. Then checking. Just click add extension. And we are waiting. They check it. As you can see here at the bottom, it's downloading. Also adding to the Chrome. It's just automatically add to your Chrome. As you can see here at the top, there are no icon of vidIQ. But after installing this one, it's just checking. Let's wait for a few minutes. Then that's it. As you can see, the logo of vidIQ is at the top right corner. Then we will be redirecting to the YouTube wherein the vidIQ is giving thanks and also introducing to you what is vidIQ. vidIQ.com. So here it is.
Hello, I'm Rob,
you can
and
watch
welcome
this
to...
and it is very entertaining, very informative. Thank you, vidIQ. So the next step is just go to your YouTube channel and click any of your videos. As you can see, I will type how to do in BI renewal. As you can see, you can look here many datas coming from vidIQ. So as you can see, when I log into my YouTube channel, as you can see, we are prompted with sign into your existing vidIQ account. If you have already an account, you just log into your email, password. If you don't have any account, you just go and sign up. But actually, I have already used my Google in anything that I do. So let's just try to sign in with our Google. Just click to sign into Google. As you can see, it will be redirected to video. This will be my video. Then as you can see, this area here is new after I sign in with my Vidiq. So as you can see, it shows my Vidiq. This up right here. You can also authenticate it with Facebook, also in YouTube. Then I already partner with YouTube here. So I did not download Vidiq. It will not be shown here. But now that I already download Vidiq, this will be shown, the stats and everything. You can see overview, your social. Also, you can compare with other videos. You can optimize the tags, the titles, the description, the cards, the end screen. Share on Facebook, share on Twitter, and also you can public. Also, as you can see, you can put here and see the tags that you already put, and also you can edit, as you can see. Then if you want to authentic your channel, you just need to click this one, auth this channel, then refresh data. It's loading, guys. As you can see, it's loading. John Michael, yes, that is my name. And also just click that account, then it will be finished. Choose how to use Google CoyTV. Here, request permission. As you can see, Vidiq wants to access your Google account CoyTV. There's no worry, guys. As you can see, there is no worry about this. Just accept. This will allow Vidiq to. This is very normal. This is their manage to your YouTube videos. They can also see what is happening, but they will not do anything about your account or lost your account. That will not happen. Just allow. Then you can see the permission accordance to their respective terms and service, the privacy policies. You can change this and other accounts permission at any time. Just do click allow. So approve, click, so it will be notified the Vidiq that you allow your YouTube channel to be connected to their video app. Then we are waiting. So at vidiq.com. So this is how to get more YouTube views. As you can see, there are also steps that you can use or guides that they give you, so you'll not be like walking in the dark. So let's go back to our channel. Then you can explore and see what you can use to help you in your YouTube journey. So this tool will actually help you in many ways and to get data from YouTube. So that is a very simple download of Vidiq, and the Vidiq is very helpful for YouTuber and also a content creator in YouTube. So that's it guys. So just wait for my next videos to explain how you will be started or what are the differences when having this kind of app, Vidiq. Also I am first time downloading this app, so for my next vlog or next video, I will show you or give a tutorial about how to use, how to change tags, how to make your YouTube experience better. So thank you and God bless. To those people that are still not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be updated in my future videos. Thank you and God bless.